Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw XDC from Coinbase to Bitrue in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that moving assets between exchanges is a key skill, and I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure it's smooth and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have XDC in your Coinbase account and that you're logged in securely. Coinbase is one of the most user-friendly platforms, but always double-check for any updates in 2025. Things like enhanced security or new fee structures might be in place. Step 1. Head over to your Coinbase dashboard and navigate to your XDC wallet. Look for the Withdraw or Send button. It's usually right there on the asset page. Click on it to start the process. Next, you'll need to select the withdrawal network. For XDC, make sure you choose the XDC network. Using the wrong one could lead to lost funds, so pay close attention. In 2025, Coinbase might have more integrated options, but stick to what's recommended for compatibility with Bitrue. Now, grab your Bitrue wallet address. Log into your Bitrue account, go to your XDC wallet, and copy the deposit address. Paste this carefully into the Coinbase withdrawal form. Accuracy is crucial to avoid any mix-ups. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum limits or fees. Coinbase might charge a small network fee, so check that before confirming. Once everything looks good, hit the confirm button and verify the transaction with any two-factor authentication you have set up. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Bitrue account to confirm when the XDC arrives. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn XDC from Coinbase to Bitrue. If you run into any issues, always reach out to the exchange support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.